Hi, welcome to another Hand Power SQL training video. In the previous video, we talked about the SQL syntax and the various SQL commands and keywords that we have. Now, in this video, we'll take a look at the SQL data types. Let us now proceed with steps. In this video, we'll talk about the SQL data types. Now let's take a look at the data types we have in SQL. When we talk of data types in SQL, the SQL data type defines the type of value that can be stored in a table. For example, if we want a column to store only integer in the database, then we can define the data type as int. The SQL data type can be broadly divided into the following categories. We have the numeric data type. Examples of the numeric data types are int, the tiny int, big int, the float, and real. Another category is the date and time data type. Examples of those are the date, the time, the date time, etc. Another category is the character and string data type. Examples of the character and string data types are the character, char, varchar, text, etc. Another category we'll be looking at is what we know as the Unicode character. An example of the Unicode character are as follows: the end character, the end varchar, the end text, etc. Another data type category we have in SQL is the binary type. Example of the binary type are as follows: binary, var binary, etc. And lastly, we also have some data type which I'll group as miscellaneous. Examples of the miscellaneous data types are the CLOB, the blob, XML, and cursor. Now, when creating data types in SQL, we need to note these important points. Not all data types are supported by every relational database vendor. For example, the Oracle database does not support datetime, and MySQL does not support CLOB data type. So, while designing your database schema, always ensure to check if the data type are supported or not. Also note that every relational database vendor has its own maximum size limit for different data types. Now, you don't need to remember the limit. The idea is to have the knowledge of the data type to use in a specific scenario. With this, we have come to the end of the data type session. Next, we will look at the SQL operators, conditions, and expressions.